guys, it's your girl Bre'yana Jasmain, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, I'm going to show you an updated eyebrow tutorial. And yes, I know it's been a while since I last posted a video. You don't have to say, Bre'yana, where have you been? That's for another video. But if you guys want to keep watching my updated eyebrow tutorial, then keep on watching. So first, I already primed my face using this face primer. I got it from Forever 21. It really works, and I really like it. So now I'm just taking my Amuse spoolie brush, and now I'm just going to be combing up my eyebrows to prepare them to be drawn on. Then I like to take this side and just start filling it in. Sorry, I have to use a mirror so I can see. And like when I do it, I like to start like right here, so like I guess so it can look natural. And while you're doing this, like you wanna, it's hard to explain, but like you wanna end it where your eyebrow ends. Then I like to go to the top and start it where my eyebrow starts. And then I like to connect those, so it should look like this before I fill it in. And now time to do the other side. It's been so long since I last got my eyebrows done. Okay, next I'm going to be using these 3 products. And yeah, I like to use this first to fill them in. Then I like to go in with this to make it not too dark, but to the point where they're kind of noticeable. So I like to start at the end of my eyebrow and work my way up. And so it should look like that. Now to the other side. Okay, so this is what we have so far. This mirror will not stay. Okay. And then I like to go in with the brush and just not feather it in, but like blend the front in so we can go for that natural look. So now I'm going in with my IMV dip brow, and I'm taking this angled brush, and you don't want to dab it in there a lot. You just want to dab it in there to the point where you get enough. And so it's like the same process with the pencil. You're just starting at the end of your eyebrow and working your way up. But you don't want it to be too dark. And if you need more, then dunk it back in. Like, you can hardly tell I've used this because I haven't used it in a while. Because when I first started using it, I didn't really know how to use it or what I wanted to use it for. Now you just want to do the other side. Okay, so this is what both of them should look like. And for concealer, this is going to be a 2-step process. First, I like to use this concealer, and Then I like to go in with this to clean up my brows more, or sometimes I use this black brush to clean it up, or I use this. So we're gonna use the black one today, and yeah. So first, I like to open it, and I like to get some from here, and I like to start here. It's hard trying to hold this mirror. And then I like to bring the excess down so we can clean it up later. And then I like to do the other side. So okay. Let me close this before it gets in the way. Okay. Let me do this. Okay, so this is how excuse me. This is how the bottom should look. And now we're just gonna do the same thing to the top. Okay, so this is how both of them should look after you put the concealer on. Now we're just gonna take this brush, and I like to start with the top, but sometimes I like to do the bottom. And you're just gonna take the concealer. I mean, some people like to use their fingers, and I don't know why. And then you have those people that like to leave the concealer under their eyebrows, and that's what we're not gonna do. And then for this eye, I'm just gonna start at the bottom. Okay. This mirror is getting tiring. Oh my gosh, it just broke off. I'm so goofy today. I'm goofy every day. Okay, so this is what we're left with. So next we're going to be it's upside down. Next we're going to be going in with this, and I like to take the same color as the other concealer I use, which is this color right here, and just to go back in and see what I need to clean up. Like sometimes this side looks thicker than the other one. That's if I don't get my eyebrows done, but okay. And I'm just gonna take a little bit more. And you wanna make sure they are identical to each other, because you want them to be identical twins. Like, you don't want them to look like fraternal twins. And you see how I got concealer right there? You're just gonna go back in and clean that bad boy up again. So I really need a new one. Okay. So you're just gonna fix the same side. Okay. And then you're gonna go back in with this and fill that in. And this is how they both should look. And what I like to do is take like this dark color right here. Hold on, so you guys can see it. I like to take this color right here and just like put a little bit like right here, so it won't, so your eyebrows won't look too light, so it can blend in with your natural skin color. And yeah, but to be honest, I really miss you guys so much. Like, again, I'm so sorry that I haven't been on YouTube lately. It's just been the struggle because I really haven't been motivated to post any videos. But I'm back. Like, I'm telling you guys, I'm back for sure. But if you have any videos you guys want me to make, comment them down below. And what I like to do is go in front of my eyebrow and just make marks in front of it like this, just so you can clean up the front side too. So oh my gosh, I'm too goofy. I'm really miss you guys. Yeah. Okay guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. Comment down below more videos you want to see me do. And yeah, I really miss you guys and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.